Assalamu alaikum. What if we told you that a single voice could inspire millions to find peace, hope, and purpose in life? Today, we'll dive into the incredible journey of one of the world's most inspiring Islamic scholars, Mufti Menk. As the Grand Mufti of Zimbabwe, Mufti Ismail Menk has touched millions with his heartfelt messages of love, compassion, and faith. Known for his easy-to-understand teachings and wisdom grounded in the Quran, Mufti Menk is a global ambassador for peace and positivity. Whether you're seeking personal growth, deeper faith, or guidance through life's challenges, Mufti Menk's inspiring story and teachings are filled with invaluable lessons. Born in Harare, Zimbabwe, Mufti Menk grew up in a religious household, learning the Quran from a young age. His thirst for knowledge took him to Saudi Arabia, where he pursued higher Islamic education. But it's not just his scholarly background that makes Mufti Menk so special. It's his ability to connect with people from all walks of life. His lectures on faith, gratitude, and patience have resonated with millions. One of his most well-known messages is the importance of saying Alhamdulillah, or praise be to Allah, in both good and bad times. He teaches that gratitude brings inner peace and trust in Allah's plan. Always be thankful even when life is hard. Allah is preparing you for something greater. Mufti Menk's story is not just about religious knowledge, it's about living with integrity and compassion. He emphasizes unity and respect for others, reminding us that Islam is a religion of peace, not division. His humanitarian work, which includes charity projects and spreading the message of peace globally, proves his dedication to these values. Has Mufti Menk's message inspired you in your life? Let us know in the comments and share this video to spread his teachings of love and unity. Through his words, Mufti Menk teaches us to rise above our challenges, to remain grateful, and to always seek peace. His simple yet profound messages are a beacon of light in a chaotic world. Thank you for watching. If you found peace in this message, check out more of Mufti Menk's powerful lectures linked on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe for more reflections on faith and personal growth.